Learning outcomes identifies the importance of cattle in agriculture, explains animal husbandry, identifies the uses of cattle, behaves respectfully towards cattle in daily life, relates the agriculture with cattle rearing. What is the essentiality of cattle rearing? What are the important things in animal husbandry? Different types of animals are living on the earth. In these, some of the animals domesticated by the human. Human beings identified that animals are useful for food, agriculture, and transportation. They started domestication with dog, sheep, pig, goat, etc. We domesticate only such of these animals which are useful to us. Buffalo and cow reared for milk, hens, sheep, and goats for meat, and ox, bulls, horses, donkeys, and camel for agriculture and transportation. The excreta of animals is used as manure. The bones of animals are grinded and used as manure in agriculture. The excreta of cattle is used to produce biogas. In cattle rearing, production of biogas also plays an important role. Leather is another animal produce. Leather is used for manufacturing many products like bags, belts, shoes, etc. Meat processing from animals is another side of animal wealth. We get beef from bulls and buffaloes, pork from pigs, mutton from sheep and goats. Food production is the main aim in rearing the animals. Production of food from animals is as important as agriculture in our country. Farmers adopt different methods of management for getting better yields in agriculture. In the same way, care is also required in the management of rearing animals. Providing food, shelter, protection, and breeding of animals is called animal husbandry. People living in rural areas used to domesticate animals like cows, buffaloes, bullocks, goats, sheep, pigs, hens, etc. The farmers take their cattle to the fields for fodder. Some of the farmers keep their cattle in the sheds and they supply fodder. Taking care of animal health is equally important task in animal husbandry. Most of the times, cattle sheds become unclean because of the remains of fodder, dung, and urine. Dump these wastes away from the shed. Care should be taken to prevent the growth of lice and mites on cattle's body. Foot and mouth disease is a common disease occur in cows, ox, and buffaloes. Sheep and goats suffer from worm infections. Viral and bacterial diseases affect the health of the cattle. Particularly in rainy season, cattle are disturbed by mosquito bite. Cattle can be protected from all these vectors. Veterinary doctors provide treatment and health care for these cattle. Providing sufficient fodder and water time to time to cattle is very important in animal husbandry. In our country, cattle rearing is an internal part of the agriculture. These both are very closely related each other. Cattle is used for agriculture works like plowing, leveling, weeding, etc. The excreta of animals is used as manure. Cattle also used for crop harvesting and transportation of agricultural products. In this way, generally cattle are used in many agricultural works. In our country, cattle are part and parcel of our culture. They treat them as their family members. During some festivals, they decorate their cattle on evaluation. What are the uses with the cattle? Which agriculture works are related to cattle? What is the relation between cattle rearing and agriculture? Which animals first domesticated by humans? Why? What is animal husbandry? How your behavior towards the cattle in daily life?